How to delete cover photo on Facebook. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in the video today, I'll be showing you how to delete your cover photo. So I'll show you step by step on how that's done. So let's go ahead and get right into the step process here. So firstly, in the Facebook home screen, you're going to want to go ahead and click the menu icon in the bottom right hand corner. Now, you're going to be here in the menu icon in the menu section. Now, at the very top, you're going to see an option called see your profile. Now go ahead and click on it. Here you should be able to see a showcase of your profile page. Now, essentially all you have to do is click your cover photo that you do have and click see cover photo. Now, in order to delete your cover photo on Facebook, all you have to do is at the top right hand corner, click the three dotted line, and then after that, click delete photo. Now, once you go ahead and do that, it's going to ask you if you want to delete photo. Just go ahead and click delete, and it should take a little bit, but it's currently processing, and you can see now we are set to the default cover photo on Facebook. So that's essentially how you delete cover photo on Facebook. It's super easy and it's super simple. So if you found the video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below and give me some feedback. But with that being said, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys until next time.